Hey guys, welcome to Electrofun. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe because we are coming up with new videos every week. In this video, I'll show you how you can interface HC05 Bluetooth module with your Arduino or any of the microcontroller and control a LED using your Android phone. So let's get started. Before starting to understand the code, we'll understand some features of the HC05 Bluetooth module. It is a serial Bluetooth module which communicates serially and it is TTL compatible. It uses frequency hopping spread spectrum and the range is between 10 meters to less than 100 meters, and it operates in master slave mode. Apart from that, it also has a AT command mode where you can configure your Bluetooth name, your password and so on using your AT commands. Also, it supports various baud rates from 9600 to 460800, and it follows the standard protocol of ISM band which works on 2.4 gigahertz. So, and the operating voltage can vary from 3.3 volts to 6 volts. So now we'll understand the code. So I have already covered a video on reading the serial data from your serial monitor. So the code remains the same over here, just the difference is you connect or send the data using your Android phone after the connection of Bluetooth. Instead of sending it from serial monitor, which we have seen, we'll just send it from our Android phone and see what we get. So I'll go through the code. I have defined a variable and an LED pin. We check the serial port. If it is available, we read the data and we compare the data and then switch on and off our LED. So it's in single code. That means we compare a character, and because we are reading a character, so that's all about the code. We'll see the connection diagram and then we'll move on with the connections. This is our HC05 module. It has 6 pins. The state and key, we are not using it right now. So we are connecting VCC to 3.3 volts, ground to ground, and RX to TX and TX to RX. So let's move on with the connection and then upload the code and check the output. So now we'll move on with the connections. There's a pin written over here, the state, and then we'll connect. So I'll just connect RX second pin, then TX, then it's ground and it's VCC. VCC will be connected to 5 volts, ground to ground. Now you need to understand one thing over here. If you are connected the RX and TX over here, and when you upload the code won't get uploaded because the USB uses the RX and TX to upload the code. So once the serial is already been used and you are using the same serial, the code won't get uploaded. So before connecting the Bluetooth module to RX and TX over here, just upload the code and then connect the serial module. So then you won't get any error. Now for this Bluetooth module, the default baud rate I am using over here is 9600. You may get output for 380400 as well. 38400 baud rate. Now I'll just connect it. The first pin over here is RX, it will go to TX, and this will go to RX. So yeah, as you can see, the Bluetooth module is blinking very fast. Yeah, so that means it is available to connect. Now I'll just go to the Arduino app of Arduino Bluetooth. The link of the app will be mentioned in the description below. So we'll just connect it, allow, again go to the app. So when you connect the Bluetooth for the first time, it will ask you for the password, or you can say you can just go over here. Yes, you can see the pairing request it's asking. So the usual password is 1234 or 4 times 0. So I'll just do 4 times 0 and click on OK. So yeah, as you can see, I got message as connected to DigiPay. The name of my Bluetooth module is DigiPay. If you are using for the first time, it will be HC05. As you can see, the frequency of LED blinking has been reduced. That means it is connected to your phone. Now, what we need to do is we need to go to terminal here and then just type 1 and send it. So as you can see, when I sent 1, the LED turned on over here. I'll send 0, the LED is off. So this way you can send any commands. Now there are multiple keys over here. You can see buttons, sliders, accelerometer. So if you want, you can just go on to the arrow keys, go on to the settings and program it as per your requirement. Like what we need is 1 and 0. So for 1, we need to send 1. For up arrow key, we'll send 1. Then down, we'll send 0. It may be any other values as well. So now we'll use this and check what we are getting. Up. As you can see, you can configure. If that is how you can interface your Bluetooth module with your Arduino and connect it or control the pin using your Android phone. So in upcoming videos, we'll come up with Bluetooth control home automation or Bluetooth control car. So stay tuned for that, and I hope you have understood this video. The detailed explanation and the code will be mentioned in our website www.electrofun.co.in. Make sure you visit the website. Till then, like our video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.